Why are you busy? I'm excited to
Thank you very much. If you're going to help me like that, I'll make you do something. I'll make you do something. Thank you. Here we go. This is my ex-girlfriend, by the way. Alright, mate. Hey, this DJ's pretty good. Let's go back inside.
Maybe I'm just a really crappy dad. Okay. I'll tell you what.
It's so night all the way you're driving me crazy. I need somebody to hear, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain, and now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through. I'm going under and this time I feel there's no one to turn to. This all or nothing way of loving got me sleeping without you. I need somebody to know, somebody to hear, somebody to have, just to know how it feels. It's easy to say it's never the same. I guess I gotta like the way you help me escape, and now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, then you pull the rug. I was getting kind of used to being someone you love, and I try to close my eyes, but it hurts sometimes. I fall into your arms. I'll be saving yourself till I come back around. And now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, then you pull the rug. I was getting kind of used to being someone you loved, and now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, then you pull the rug. I was getting kind of used to being someone you loved. I let my guard down, then you pull the rug. Thank you. I was getting kind of used to being someone you love.
Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. All right.